sky wears a coat of fading blue. A breeze whispers secrets it once knew. I sit in the quiet, my hands feel cold. The air smells like stories, both young and old. Whispered memories, they call my name like echoes in the quiet, a flickering flame. They hold me close, they let me go. Whispered memories, they ebb and flow. A creak in the floor, a clock ticks slow. Shadows stretch where the lamplight glows. Pictures framed in a soft golden haze. Their laughter still lingers from distant days. The past, it hums a song so sweet. I find myself swaying to its beat. Whispered memories, they call my name like echoes in the quiet, a flickering flame. They hold me close, they let me go. Whispered memories, they ebb and flow. Do they live in the cracks of time, or dance in the chords of an old rhyme? I reach, but they slip right through, familiar as rain, fleeting as dew. The sky wears a coat of fading blue. A breeze whispers secrets it once knew. I sit in the quiet, my hands feel cold. The air smells like stories, both young and old. Whispered memories, they call my name like echoes in the quiet, a flickering flame. They hold me close, they let me go. Whispered memories, they ebb and flow. A creak in the floor, a clock ticks slow. Shadows stretch where the lamplight glows. Pictures framed in a soft golden haze. Their laughter still lingers from distant days. The past day hums a song so sweet, I find myself swaying to its beat. Whispered memories, they call my name like echoes in the quiet, a flickering flame. They hold me close, they let me go. Whispered memories, they ebb and flow. Do they live in the cracks of time, or dance in the chords of an old rhyme? I reach, but they slip right through, familiar as rain, fleeting as dew. A ripple in the quiet air, soft hands of time just linger there. The moon hums low, it doesn't care. Whispered echoes, soft and slow, healing rivers, let them flow. Whispered echoes, let them go. A shadow bends, a sigh takes flight. The stars exhale their borrowed light. The stillness left around the night. Whispered echoes, soft and slow, dream that lingers soft and slow. Time dissolves, no need to chase. Fading lines of boundless space drift and drift. Pages turning slow like time won't leave. Moonlight paints the floor, it's hard to believe. The quiet speaks louder than words. Every creak in the night feels heard. Ticks but doesn't push. Soft whispers hide in the paper's hush. Ink like rivers flow so free, tracing paths of who I could be. Every dot, every line holds a secret or a sly. Oh, midnight pages, where do you go? Filling the silence with stories untold. Lines that drift like clouds in the sky. Midnight pages, my the silence call my name, a fleeting shadow in the flame. Soft whispers brush against my skin. The sky is heavy with the night, a million stars, but none alight. I breathe it in, I let it spin. Whispers in the wind, they find me carrying dreams I left behind me. Every echo pulls me near to the quiet, to the quiet. A single tear, it bends the light. The moon is patient in its flight. The earth is still, the moment stays. I touch the edge of what is real, a fragile thread, a heart to heal. Time dissolves, it slips away. The wind, it hums a broken tune. It dances soft beneath the moon, a lullaby, a fleeting I hear the silence call my name, a fleeting shadow in the flame. Soft whispers brush against my skin. The sky is heavy with the night, a million stars, but none are light. I breathe it in, I let it spin. Whispers in the wind, they find me carrying dreams I left behind me. Every echo pulls me near to the quiet, to the touch the edge of what is real, a fragile thread, a heart to heal. Time dissolves, it slips away. The wind it hums, a broken tune, it dances soft beneath the moon, a lullaby, a fleeting feathers drift in the air so slow. The soft wind speaks where the whispers go. Leaves bow down as the shadows grow. Whispered winds carry me to a place where time runs free. Endless sky, endless sea. found a letter under the floor, ink-faded whispers of what we swore. Your words still hum like an old song, short and sweet, but never wrong. Whispers of yesterday call my name, soft as the wind through an open frame. I hold the echoes they left behind, searching for pieces of time we can't rewind. A photograph curled at the edge, dusty corners, a memory's pledge. Your laughter hides in the creases there, fragile moments floating in the air. Up there, not gone, not gone at all. They linger softly when shadows fall. Whispers of yesterday call my name, soft as the wind through an open frame. I hold the echoes they left behind, searching for pieces of time we can't rewind. And if I could, I'd reach through the years, catch your smile, wipe away your tears. But time's a thief with a velvet glove. It steals the pain, but leaves the love. A ripple in the quiet air, soft hands of time just linger there. The moon hums low, it doesn't care. Whispered echoes, soft and slow, healing rivers, let them flow. Whispered echoes. a sigh takes flight. The stars exhale their borrowed light. The stillness wraps around the night. Whispered echoes, soft and slow, healing rivers, let them flow. Whispered echoes, let them go. Drift in the calm, drift in the glow, where nothing to hold is all we know. Breathe it in, let it show. Whisper